So now I'm going to import the property into Minerva. And in order to import a property into Minerva from Fortress, we have to go to the One Properties page in Minerva. So in the admin menu, under Create Property and under Fortress Import, you'll see all the properties that are ready to be imported. And so you can click on the Import button to open the property creation page, and that's what I'll do right now. So once this page loads, you'll see that a number of property-related attributes are pre-populated in the fields, and that information is coming from Fortress. There is a data transfer between Fortress and Minerva that happens only when you create the property on the very first time the property is created. So all of this information has come from Fortress, and there is a mapping in place that maps the data fields from Fortress to Minerva. Fortress might not have all of the information that Minerva requires in order to create a property, and if that's the case, you still have to select that information here before the property can actually be created. So for example, property type I know is required because it has a red asterisk, so I'll say that it's a single family residence, and then I'll say it's going to go into relocation, and by the looks of it, everything else is filled out. I'll add a bed and a bath count. And one thing that I always check before I import the property is to make sure that the AROE in the underwriting for Minerva matches the Fortress calculation template. So this Fortress calculation template is just a read-only view of what the property shows in Fortress. And the calculations and the data is supposed to transfer over into the underwriting column in Minerva. So if the AROE matches in both columns, that's a pretty clear sign that all of the variables that make up that percentage match. So once we're confident that the property is ready to be imported, we'll scroll to the bottom of the page and we'll click on Create Property. This will create the property in Minerva and load the property details page. And there it is, the property details page.